Hey there, my name is Adam from the team here at Parabola, and in this video, I'll be walking through a PO management use case specifically focused on the three-way match process. We work with a ton of brands who have terribly manual processes for matching up their POs with ASNs, with invoices they receive from different vendors. And in this automation, we are pulling in all that data, whether that comes from an ERP, email, PDF, or database. We're standardizing and combining all of that data and then ultimately sending it off to a dashboard where we can see different statuses at the PO level, at the ASN level, the SKU level, whatever it might be. So for instance, we can see any instances where we were over invoiced or where inventory was under delivered. We can break that out to focus on our over invoiced SKUs and see any SKUs that were under delivered so we can make sure we're either reordering or tying that into our inventory forecasts. We also can create a little bit of a vendor scorecard here at the bottom where we're reporting on performance for each of our different vendors. And we're able to see information like average days from PO placement to receipt for different vendors, as well as any order versus received discrepancies at the vendor level. So for instance, we can see that Globex not only is over delivering inventory, but they're also the slowest vendor in our network right now. Digging into the flow, we're getting started by pulling in those POs, ASNs, and invoices. The invoices coming in PDFs received via email. And then we are combining all of that data based on custom criteria. In this case, matching based on PO number and SKU. Once we have all of that data combined, we can start to perform some calculations. For instance, figuring out the days to receipt by comparing the PO creation date with our receipt date, and then creating different status fields such as invoice discrepancies by comparing the quantity that we received versus the quantity that we were invoiced for. Once we have all of this data together, we ultimately then can send it off to your ERP. We can send emails to the team for discrepancies, and in this case, power our dashboard and visualizations to give the team visibility into overages and vendor performance. If this seems interesting, feel free to sign up for a free 2-week trial to start building your own PO management flow and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.